The most important and busiest highway in Nigeria is the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway, and having suffered neglect for years before it received the necessary attention it has gotten over the last 7 years, it was a major drawback to the ease of doing business across the country. The road was the principal link between the nation's commercial capital of Lagos and home to the premier port in Apapa. The collapse of the Apapa-Oshodi Expressway was also a major hindrance to the ease of doing business and movement of goods and services across the country and overseas. While the two roads have now gotten attention and have eased movement of goods from Lagos and other parts of the country, the federal government has not stopped there. Major link roads such as Shagamu-Ijebu-Ode, Ajebamidele-Ore Road have also been taken to a level where a traveler can easily predict how long it will take to get to Benin, especially taking off from Lagos or vice versa.
Right now, we've all seen, we started from Ibadan. You've seen the progress that has been made so far. And I'm also happy to inform you that this project has been placed under Sukuk. It's under our 2021 Sukuk, so we have some allocation on it. It's a very, very strategic road in the southwest. It links the entire traffic from Lagos through Ibadan, and then, of course, to some people who go through to Abuja, passing through Ilesha and then Akure. We are making progress. We also want to use the opportunity to appeal to road users, to exercise a bit of, constraint, drive within construction speed. There's a speed you can't be on 120, 140, construction activities going on here. So, and then of course they should also bear with us. We know that there will be a kind of discomfort here and there, but it's just for a period of time.
But these themes are not on any of these roads, but equally important, Ibadan-Ife-Ilesha dual carriageway, which spans a distance of 180 kilometers. The team, led by the Federal Director of Highways for the Southwest Zone, Adedamola Kuti, carried out an on-the-spot assessment on the ongoing construction of the Ibadan-Ife-Ilesha road. The Ibadan-Ife-Ilesha dual carriage road was awarded by the federal government in 2020. The construction of the project, which was initially stalled due to outbreak of COVID-19, is currently undergoing complete rehabilitation from Iwo Road area of Ibadan. The Zonal Director of Highways, Federal Ministry of Works, believes that the road which links other parts of Southwest would boost economic development within the region.
So you see, the way we operate in the system, yes, very good. We are having, maybe due to all this war going on in Ukraine, prices are going up. Diesel is going up, bitumen is going up. But for our projects, we already have something that is inbuilt. We have a kind of mechanism that, we pay for variation. And that variation is already part of that contract. You cannot be talking of augmentation until that thing is exhausted. Hopefully, maybe things will return back to normal. And this will just be just a very small problem. So we are hoping that things will return back to normal. But as we speak, all hands are on deck, work is going on. The increase is already being captured, is already being taken care of. This government is spending so much on infrastructure. There is no doubt about that. We saw all the way, we came in from Ibadan. Lagos-Ibadan is there, work is going on Lagos-Ibadan. This is a continuation of Lagos-Ibadan. And very, very soon, we are going to award Ibadan to Oyo. Work will soon start on that. And then this is now Oyo to Ogbomosho, to link Ogbomosho to Ilorin. So work is going on, and it is almost the same thing everywhere in the country. So this is huge. This is a very big investment. And that you are the eyes of the public, come and see. You have seen it, and then you should be able to report it back.
For his part, the project manager gave an insight into what the project is all about.
This road, as the director mentioned, it's 108 kilometers. It's fully rehabilitation and reconstruction of the road, both sides. That is Ilesha bound and Ibadan bound. The scope of work is to pulverize the existing surface, place stone base, and binder and wearing course, alongside with all the hydraulic structures as drainages, culverts, and stone pitching, everything required for a durable road. And everything is achievable as long as the funding is properly done. We are fully mobilized. We are working in 2 big locations as of now.
From here, the team moved to the long-stalled Oyo-Ogbomosho-Ilorin road, which has also been given a new lease of life in the last 2 years. With funding from various sources including Sokok Bond, Federal Controller of Works in Oyo State, Kayode Ibrahim, gave an insight to what is being done to finally deliver the road following years of neglect due to funding issues.
Tests that are required on any road is being carried out. The materials being used are the best you can ever use on any road. So the contractor is following our standard. So the road is going to stand the test of time, I can assure you that. We have a maintenance team. FEMA maintains our roads, and as soon as we finish, it will be handed over to FEMA to maintain. You know, that the government have a policy of maintaining our road now. So there's a maintenance arrangement in place.
The project manager also gave further insight into the level of works done so far.
The total kilometer is 52 kilometers, starting from kilometer 43 up to kilometer 94. We complete already 50% completion from the total road. We reach with the asphalt up to kilometer 67, and now we are working with earthwork from 67 up to kilometer 74. And based on our financial program, we are going to reach up to the end of the year up to kilometer 80. We don't have any challenges. Actually, everything is in our end, and we are pushing daily to achieve our target. And we want to finish the project in time, and by the grace of God, we are going to finish it in time.
The Oyo-Ogbomosho-Ilorin road connects southwest and the north. When finally completed, it will improve the economic integration between both regions as well as reduce the time it takes to commute between the two regions. It is also expected that this will help the movement of goods and services from both regions.